If you're experiencing a verification pending status on WooCommerce, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you quickly resolve the issue in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Check payment gateway settings. Ensure that your payment gateway settings are correctly configured. Go to WooCommerce Settings Payments and verify that all required fields are filled out correctly, including API keys and account information. Step 2. Confirm account verification. Log into your payment gateway account and check if your account has been fully verified. Sometimes additional documentation or steps are required to complete the verification process. Step 3. Update WooCommerce and plugins. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sesrok to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear your website's cache and your browser's cache. This can help resolve any issues caused by outdated or conflicting cache data. If you're reusing a caching plugin, clear the cache through the plugin settings. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the above steps, reach out to your payment gateway support team. Provide them with details about the issue and they can assist you in resolving the verification pending status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on WooCommerce quickly. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from WooCommerce support or your hosting provider.